Have you ever felt like your computer is straight up gaslighting you? 1 minute everything is perfect, the next your screen freezes, a program crashes, or you get hit with that terrifying blue screen of death. And Windows 11 just shrugs and says, problem occurred, restarting. Okay, no explanation, no apology, nothing. You're left sitting there thinking, what the hell just happened? Well, today I'm going to blow your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on this hidden tool called Reliability Monitor. It records every single crash, every freeze, every failed update, every driver failure that has ever happened on your machine. So if you've ever been frustrated by random crashes or slowdowns, hit that like button and let's turn you into a Windows detective right now. Let's jump straight in. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the start menu. Once the start menu appears, start typing the words View Reliability History. As you type, Windows should show a result called View Reliability History near the top of the list. Click on that result to open the hidden tool. If you don't see it, don't worry. There's another way to get there. Search for the control panel and open it. Inside control panel, click System and Security. This section contains many of Windows maintenance and troubleshooting tools. After that, click Security and Maintenance. A new window will open with several expandable sections. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Maintenance. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the section if it's collapsed. Under Maintenance, look for the option called View Reliability History. Click it. The moment it opens, you'll see what looks like a chart or timeline. This is the Reliability Monitor window. This screen is basically your PC's secret diary. At the top, there is a graph with a line moving across days or weeks. Above that graph, you will see something called a stability index. This number rates your computer's health on a scale from 1 to 10. A score of 10 means your PC has been running almost perfectly with no serious issues. A score below 7 means your system has started experiencing noticeable problems. A score below 5 for several days in a row is a major warning sign that something is repeatedly failing. Now look below the graph, you'll see a timeline with symbols placed on specific dates. A red X means a critical event happened that day. This usually means a program crashed, Windows shut down unexpectedly, or your system had a blue screen crash. A yellow warning triangle means something caused a warning. This may not have fully crashed your system, but something nearly failed or generated an error. A blue information icon means something normal happened, like an update installing, a new app being added, or a driver being successfully updated. This is where it gets powerful. Find any date that has a red X. Click directly on that day. The lower half of the window will immediately change and show a list of everything that happened on that date. You'll see entries with the exact program name, the exact time of the failure, and a short description of what went wrong. For example, it might say an app stopped working at 2:14 p.m. or a hardware driver failed at 9:32 p.m. Now click the failed event itself. A new option will appear called View Technical Details. Click that. This opens the forensic report. This report gives you the exact technical information behind the crash. It can show the faulty file name, the crashed application, the module that failed, and often the exact error code. This is the part most people never discover. That error code is gold. Copy that code exactly as it appears. Open your browser and paste it into Google search. Most of the time you'll immediately find forum posts, official support articles or tutorials showing the exact cause and the exact fix. Here's a real example. Let's say your computer suddenly became slow yesterday and you have no idea why. Open Reliability Monitor and click yesterday's date. You might discover that a Windows update started installing overnight and failed repeatedly. That failed update can cause slow startup times, system lag, or background errors all day. Reliability Monitor shows you the exact moment your computer's problem started. That means you're not guessing anymore, you're tracing the issue back to the exact day and often the exact minute. Here's a pro tip. Make it a habit to check Reliability Monitor once every month. It only takes 1 minute. If you notice your stability score dropping below 7 and staying there for several days, that's your early warning system. Something is repeatedly failing. It could be a bad driver, it could be a corrupted update, it could be a crashing program. And if you ignore it for too long, it can eventually lead to serious problems like corrupted files, failed boots, or in some cases hardware stress. Try it for yourselves. You might discover the exact reason your PC has been acting weird for weeks. Now it's your turn. Open Reliability Monitor today and check if your PC has been hiding errors from you. You may be surprised by what you find. If this video just saved you hours of frustration and guesswork, hit that like button and share it with anyone who keeps complaining about random crashes. And if you want more hidden Windows tools that actually make your life easier, subscribe to Techie Dialogue and smash that bell. Thanks for watching. Stay in control of your PC, and I'll see you in the next one.